Alright, good morning. Welcome to Foxway. I'm Andrew. This is the morning after the big blizzard. I don't know, wasn't that? We got like a foot of snow over a day and a half or so. But I'm here at the chicken coops in the morning. If you haven't noticed, we moved them up closer to the barn so that we can access them easier. But other than that, I'm going to see how these chickens react to a foot of snow in the morning. I already cleared them a little bit of a path over some grain, but who knows if they're going to make it or not. So let's see how this works. Chickens really don't like the snow, actually. There's Chata to greet me, as usual. Morning, Chata. One brave chicken. Come on, guys, move it. Move it, move it.